Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Coles County, northwestern Edgar County, east central Moultrie County, southeastern Champaign County, Douglas County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cookville, or 7 miles east of Sullivan, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicle. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Arcola around 4:30 p.m. Tuscola around 4:35 p.m. Camargo and Villa Grove around 4:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Broadlands. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 194 and 222. The following is a